Ready to see what everyone's raving about in 2025? These genius TEMU kitchen gadgets are going viral for a reason. They'll simplify your cooking, save space, and make every meal feel effortless. From prep to cleanup, these clever finds do it all without breaking a sweat. All the links you need are waiting in the description below. Tired of messy trash bags everywhere? These stackable sorting bins keep things neat and organized. Separate your wet and dry waste without taking up extra space. Each bin has a lid to lock in odors and keep your home fresh. They stack securely so you can build your own mini recycling station. Perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or even the office. Grating cheese doesn't have to be a workout. This Rotary Grater makes it effortless. Just load your cheese or veggies, turn the handle, and watch perfectly shredded pieces fall out. It comes with 5 interchangeable blades for slicing, shredding, and even chopping. The strong suction base keeps it steady, and there's a storage box to keep all the blades organized. Quick, safe, and way less mess. Say goodbye to flimsy lunch bags. This stainless steel lunchbox keeps your meals fresh and warm for hours. It's stackable, so you can pack multiple dishes without mixing flavors. The secure lid locks in heat and prevents leaks, making it perfect for school, work, or camping trips. Plus, it comes with a handy storage bag for easy carrying. Durable, reusable, and built for your busy day. Love homemade pasta? This stainless steel pasta maker brings the magic of fresh noodles right to your kitchen. It features 6 adjustable thickness settings, so you can roll your dough just the way you like it. Want spaghetti, fettuccine, or lasagna sheets? Just switch the cutter and you're set. The sturdy design makes it smooth to use and easy to clean. Fresh pasta has never been this simple. Scaling fish can be a real hassle, but not anymore. This electric fish scale remover does the job in seconds. Just turn it on and glide it over the fish. Scales come off effortlessly without the mess. It's USB rechargeable, so no batteries needed, and the stainless steel design is built to last. Perfect for anyone who loves fresh seafood but hates the prep work. Cutting block cheese has never been this easy. This stainless steel slicer gives you clean, precise cuts every time. It comes with a sturdy cutting board and 5 replacement wires, so you're always ready for perfect slices. Ideal for sandwiches, cheese platters, or quick snacks. Durable, simple to use, and designed to make cheese cutting almost effortless. Baking like a pro starts with the right tools. This stainless steel flour sifter makes it easy to get perfectly smooth, lump-free flour every time. Just add your flour, squeeze the handle, and watch it fall like soft snow. It's great for powdered sugar too, giving your desserts that bakery-style finish. Durable, easy to clean, and a must-have for every home baker. Chopping doesn't have to be a chore. This versatile cutting tool slices meat, fruits, and veggies in seconds. The adjustable thickness setting lets you choose how you want your cuts, thin or thick. Made of stainless steel, it's sharp, durable, and built for everyday use. Perfect for quick meal prep, saving you time while keeping everything neat and uniform. Garlic lovers, this one's for you. This aluminum alloy garlic press makes mincing effortless. Just load a clove, press down, and you've got finely crushed garlic in seconds. No sticky fingers, no mess. It even comes with a peeler and a brush for easy cleanup. Strong, washable, and built to last. It's the little tool that makes a big difference in your cooking. Tired of mops and brooms cluttering up the corner? This wall-mounted organizer keeps everything neat and within reach. It comes with adjustable hooks for holding cleaning tools, brushes, or even garden gear. The metal frame is strong and coated with a sleek finish to resist rust. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or garages. Finally, a simple way to save space and stay organized. Breakfast just got smarter. This 3-in-1 cast iron pan lets you cook eggs, sausages, and even steak all at once without juggling multiple pans. Its non-stick surface means food slides off effortlessly and cleanup is a breeze. The divided design keeps flavors separate while saving you time. Perfect for busy mornings when you want a hearty meal without the hassle. Craving a refreshing treat without the bulky machines? This hand-cranked ice crusher turns ordinary ice into fluffy snow in seconds. Perfect for smoothies, shaved ice desserts, or cooling down your favorite drinks. No electricity, no fuss, just add ice and twist. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to store and carry. A simple way to bring summer vibes to your kitchen anytime you want. Who said kitchen tools can't be fun? These silicone mini tongs come with a playful hand-and-heart design that makes serving snacks way more delightful. They're sturdy, anti-slip, and perfect for grabbing desserts, ice cubes, or even small bites at parties. Stainless steel inside for durability, soft silicone outside for a comfy grip. Cute, practical, and guaranteed to make your snack game more stylish. Meet the ultimate kitchen multitasker. This 4-in-1 set combines colanders and mixing bowls so you can wash, strain, and prep without switching tools. Rinse fruits, drain pasta, or toss a salad all in one handy setup. The stackable design saves space, and the sturdy build handles daily use with ease. Simple, practical, and a real time saver for any home cook. Say goodbye to greasy soups and heavy gravies. This stainless steel oil separator spoon makes removing excess fat effortless. Just scoop and let the built-in spout drain the oil away, leaving only the rich flavor behind. Its long handle keeps your hands safe from heat, and the sturdy design means it's built to last. A simple tool that makes your dishes lighter, healthier, and tastier. Tired of a messy fridge? These clear storage bins keep everything neat and easy to find. Perfect for snacks, drinks, fruits, or condiments, they make organizing simple and stress-free. The easy grip handles let you slide them out without hassle, even when they're full. BPA-free and safe for food contact. They're as practical as they are durable. A clean fridge has never looked this good. Snack time just got an upgrade. This lotus-shaped snack box opens like a blooming flower with a single twist, revealing compartments for nuts, candy, or dried fruit. It's sleek, transparent, and perfect for living rooms or outdoor picnics. The secure lid keeps everything fresh, and the design adds a stylish touch to any setting. Practical storage meets a bit of fun every time you share a treat. Meet your new secret weapon for mess-free cooking. This stainless steel and glass oil sprayer gives you the perfect mist of oil every time. No drips, no waste. Ideal for grilling, baking, or adding that light touch to salads. The pressurized design makes it easy to control portions, and the sleek shape looks great in any kitchen. A smart way to cook healthier without sacrificing flavor. Fresh juice in seconds, no power needed. This handheld citrus press makes squeezing lemons, limes, and oranges effortless. Just press, and the built-in filter keeps seeds out for a smooth pour. Its sturdy aluminum build handles the toughest fruit, and cleanup is quick and easy. Perfect for home kitchens or even on the go when you want pure, refreshing juice without the mess. Keep your grains fresh and your pantry organized with this airtight storage container. The flip-top lid makes scooping easy while locking out moisture and pests. Its clear window lets you check levels at a glance so you'll never run out unexpectedly. Built from durable plastic, it's perfect for rice, beans, or other dry goods. A sleek, minimalist design that looks as good as it functions. Struggling with stubborn lids? This easy grip opener is here to save the day. Its adjustable design fits jars and bottles of all sizes, giving you the perfect grip every time. Just twist, no more sore hands or asking for help. Compact and simple to mount, it's always within reach when you need it. A little tool that makes a big difference in your kitchen routine. Say hello to clutter-free grain storage. This large-capacity rice dispenser features a rotating, divided design that keeps multiple cereals or grains in one sleek container. The sealed build locks out moisture to keep everything fresh. Just twist to select what you need. No scooping, no mess. Perfect for rice, beans, or breakfast cereals, it turns pantry organization into something stylish and simple. Cleaning just got a serious upgrade. This electric spin scrubber takes the hard work out of scrubbing floors, tubs, and tiles. With dual adjustable speeds, it powers through soap scum and grime in seconds. The detachable handle lets you reach every corner without bending or stretching. Plus, it comes with multiple brush heads for different surfaces. Say goodbye to scrubbing by hand. This tool does the heavy lifting for you.